members. I give way to the honourable gentleman from Wales, who hasn't had a chance.
I thank the Minister for giving way, and I think we've heard a consensus this afternoon that divestment from fossil fuels makes both financial and environmental sense. But further to the point that the Minister just made, does he think that those changes will be sufficient to ensure that the industry actually makes that transition, or does he envisage further measures in the future?
Well, I was going to come to some of those particular points, but in terms of regulatory guidance, which has been raised by several people, the regulations that are coming in October, there is no doubt that the pensions regulator is planning to publish further guidance on those, on managing the climate change risk in advance of the regulations themselves coming in October. And self-evidently, there is key point is surely that there is non-compliance with these regulations can potentially lead to sanctions from the pensions regulator, who is acutely mindful of their obligations going forward of what it is that they need to do to address this particular point.